This is one of my plum trees, and some of the fruit has been saved, so I'm going to pick the plums. It is a not easy job to pick the plums with one hand and hold the camera with the other hand. There is quite a lot of fruit. Some are ready to be picked, but some haven't gone up to that stage. They still have some green bits. I don't know why some plums they go moldy, although the one I just picked up, that was on its own, was getting a lot of fresh air. These they might not be 100% ripe, but still they can be left inside. I will leave them for another day. That is the moldy one. I have picked lot of them which were fully ripe, but there are still a large number of plums which are still green. They need a little bit more time on the tree, so I have decided to leave them on the tree and give them few more days. When they change color, I will pick them once again. At the same time, I would like to show you the Y grafts which I did. Well, 2 scions grafted using that method, Y graft, and they both have grown. And that is my chili plant, having a bit of fresh air outside my greenhouse. It's full of chillies. It had a very good crop, and those are the plums which I have just taken off that one of the plum trees, and whatever I have saved on the other tree, I'm going to show you a little bit, which will be ready next. It is These three are on a very small branch which was grafted a while back while this tree was dying. Its life is hanging with a thread. It has come back to life, but not growing vigorously, but still there are signs of life. That growth on that branch is nominal. It had a few plums which are fully ripe, and I'm going to take them.